Hey, listen here. Hey, Gasly. One of the best deals of the year just came. Just came in the mail right here. $59.99. Only $60. Double mic set with a transmitter from Great Video Maker, GVM. Hey, it's about to turn up. Back of the box says 140. We got it for $59.99. I don't know if it's Father's Day sale weekend, but it was some sort of sale. They had a buy two or buy one get one free. I just bought one. It was half off. I was like, hell yeah. So we're gonna try this thing out. Let's see what we got. No, these things be super pain to open. And you gotta get the overkill. I'm like, fuck, can't open this shit. Alright, y'all. Open. We got it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna look at a GMV, Great Video Maker. We got some stickers. Gonna use a big ass knife to cut through them shits too. Alright, anyways, let's open it up. Let's see what we got. We got a box in a box, y'all. Box in a box. Ooh, 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 okay. I was tripping. Box in a box. We got some QR codes. We got a little booklet, so we got some information to learn. Okay. Got some learning material. Great Video Maker. Listen, I didn't know it came in a case. This is exciting. I did not know it was gonna come in this thing. Okay. So we open it up. Let's see. Bow. Bow, 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 bow. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? We got some cords. Got a little pouch for the cords. You got a B to C. You got a double line auxiliary. It looks fairly short. And then you got USB to C, USB. And then you got the little fan screen. See, I thought this was magnetic. I thought that's what it was. Is there two of them? There's two of them in there. I don't think there's anything else in there. Nothing else in there. We're gonna shove these things back up in this thing. It's a little stretchy, but it's also a little tight. All right. Well, these things, I thought these things were magnetic. That's exactly what I thought. So look, if you look closely, they have like little plastic clicking things, like so they snap on. We're gonna see how they snap on in a second. But here goes the case. GVM, Great Video Maker. This is what we got, y'all. This is what we got. Let's see what it looks like. Look, there are little charging things right down there, the little dots. Got the USB-C in the back. Pop it open and bow, bow. Okay, now I see how it clicks in. Now I see. So this is gonna be one of the transmitters. You have the on button, the record button, and you have your mic input. This is the main reason why I got this thing right here, because I could plug in my own mic and I can have a much smaller transmitter. Okay, and they got little stickers on here and USB. So it looks like you could charge these individually instead of charging them in here if you don't want to. I'm gonna take that off, pop that in there. Wow. One thing else we can do real quick is show you how this thing snaps on. So again, like there's little teeth in here, and you see those little grooves? Those little grooves, you're gonna match those teeth up with those grooves. I'm guessing that's it. They just snap on. As you tell, I'm not doing very good at it. Nope. There we go. Nope. I don't know if I'm gonna be using these things. You get them and then twist. There we go. That was interesting. So you have to stick that little plastic thing in those grooves and then twist. Then you end up with this little fur head that sticks on here fairly well. That was a little mission. Then it popped off. Then when I tried to push the little clampy thing. So we got the little thing with jig. We get two of them. We get two of them. I like how they sit in here. They sit in here real nice. See it lighting up? Okay. It's doing something. And then we have the transmitter, the receiver. The receiver. Now, this is what I was most curious about right here. Because it looked like we had a mic out and we also have a headphone, right? And I'm just curious if they're both the same volume or if one's less than the other, you know? I know it said they had internal recording, and I'm curious if that's in these little recorders or if it actually saves into this thing, because I didn't get a whole lot of information on that. Like if this is the actual where they save, or do they save in these individual? And I guess that's more to find out. But overall, this ain't look bad, you know? It's light. One thing I thought about with this though, I was like, damn, I could connect this to my Zoom recorder, my F1, and I'll be able to monitor audio and record to the Zoom F1. You know what I mean? And simplify. That to me, that would simplify instead of going straight to a camera, or I could just take it straight to a camera with this little clippy thing. It looks like there's like a little mount thing in here that if you had one, you can attach it, or by taking this off, I guess. I don't know how that would work, but yeah, here we go, y'all. We got the let's turn it on. See what this thing look like. Great Video Maker. There you go. So you got a little LED screen. Y'all see it? That it? I must gotta connect one of these, huh? How does that work? Do I hit the power button on one of these? There we go. That bit lighting up and it pops up. Okay, okay. Oh, and we even see a live feed. You can see like a live feed Interesting. Okay. But it seems like as far as settings, there's not a whole lot of volume settings. You only have that one little knot right there. You have this. That's it. I guess that's your headphone volume. You can turn up. But it's like it's its own fixed rate. I'm not seeing an area where do what I need to do. But I do see that there's a record button on this right here. So if I hit record, what does that do? I hit the record button. Now it's blinking red and green. It's blinking red and green. So if I stop it, what's it do? It ain't do nothing. It's still blinking red and green. So I don't know. I was hoping for more of an indication when it's. I guess I need to read the book. And that's what we're going to do next. We're going to read this book and figure this shit out. But it did connect. It's on there. And I do see movement. So it's working in a sense. I'm kind of curious what it'll do with my headphones. Let me see. All right. I grabbed some headphones. Let's plug these things up and see if I can hear anything. And that's more so what I want. I want to be able to monitor audio because that's one thing I ain't been able to do is monitor my audio with them F1s. And I'm like, if I could just monitor my audio, that would be so much nicer. We're gonna turn this thing back on. I think it's dead though. It just died on me. So they don't come charged. At least this didn't. Turn this one on. All right, looks like it connected. So they connect fairly fast. I don't seem like that's gonna be an issue whatsoever. Hey, okay, I can hear clear. This works. This most definitely works. I'm not upset whatsoever with it. Nope. I needed a way to monitor audio. Now I can monitor audio. This clipped on a shirt. It sounds pretty good. Yeah. Okay. So there's a way to monitor audio and it sounds good. It sounds decent. At least for the headphones, you know? So I'm happy so far. These are dead as hell. So we're gonna figure that out because they're dead. They're dead as all get out. Hopefully we could do something about that by charging them. Get the motherfuckers charged. Anyways, yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. I'll do some test runs. I'm gonna do like a distance test to see what's reasonable and what's unreasonable with these, and maybe a lapel test, put a lapel in it, and see how that sounds by putting one of my F1 mics in there and see if the Rode mic 50. So I've seen people where they do like the cheap $10 mics, but has anyone try like a $50 or $100 lapel, like a Rode lapel or a synthesizer lapel, something that's, you know, a little bit more pricier. I wonder if it makes a difference. So that's something I think that we should try. All right, yeah, I'm talking this mic like I'm gonna use this audio. All right, y'all. I think we got it from here. Again, you got any questions, let me know what y'all think we should talk about or try. I guess I was curious too if this sounded the same. Hold on. One more test. Doo-doo. 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 No, I don't hear nothing come out of that. So I guess I'm gonna have to read. And I plugged it to headphone, I can hear a lot coming out the headphones. So yep, that's something we're gonna have to figure out. At least I'm gonna have to figure out, right? We're gonna figure that out, y'all. All right, till next time.